have a little one and know how tough it is when he gets a cough or cold. To comfort your child naturally, Oillogic Essential Oil Care is a line of custom 100% pure essential oil blends safely diluted especially for your kiddos. Start with a warm bath with Oillogic Stuffy Nose and Cough Essential Oil Vapor Bath. It contains a custom blend of essential oils such as lavandin, orange, and fir needle to help soothe stuffy noses and discomfort from coughing. The oil blends are sourced from all over the world. Clean, natural, free of sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, dyes, fragrances. Also pediatrician and dermatologist tested, so they're safe solutions. Pour right into the bath before bed to help soothe those cough and cold symptoms. Then apply Oillogic Stuffy Nose and Cough Essential Oil Roll-On right onto the chest and bottom of feet. They'll breathe in the natural vapors while they sleep. The entire line was developed by 2 moms with first-hand experience and product development know-how. Pick them up at Meijer stores in the baby aisle for $7.99 or visit oillogiccare.com for more info.